The 2019 Chevrolet Cruze picks up a light styling refresh this year that functions admirably. The 2019 Chevrolet Cruze has another look outside, however it's not really a distinct advantage for this lineup of minimized autos. Generally speaking, we rate the Cruze about normal, a 5 out of 10 by and large on our refreshed scale. Outside, the Cruze is tight and conditioned, with few squandered lines, beside a bustling front belt that is new for 2019. The Cruze hatchback's wheelbase extends the same 106.3 creeps as the sedan's, however its truncated backside shaves a robust 8 crawls off of its general length. Such a great amount for hatchback utility. A couple of appearance bundles, the RS and Redline, include a trace of zest with one-of-a-kind haggle signals. This year, the RS bundle incorporates passed-out composite haggles. Despite the fact that its inside is well laid out, the Cruze can seem modest. We prefer the French sewed trim found on some higher trim Cruzes, however the texture Chevy puts on the dashboards of models with fabric seats strikes us as a little underneath its as a matter of fact passage level estimating.